Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Janae, and today we're going to be reviewing this hair from ISee Hair. I'm not even going to lie to y'all, I'm going to be very biased against this hair company because I've been buying them for years, and when I tell you they are one of my favorite hair companies of all time, especially off AliExpress, like, they are literally my favorites. And to be honest, when I seen that email, I literally thought it was too good to be true. I was like, who is this and why are they trying to scam me? Because I was honestly shocked that ISee Hair, one of my favorite hair companies of all time, really wanted me to review their hair. And yeah, I'm so excited. I'm really so freaking excited to get into this hair, to tell y'all what's up, to tell y'all why I love this hair company and why y'all should buy from them too. Because when I tell you, they're up there with Ali Pearl, but they're also super affordable, so they're not going to really break your bank, but bomb quality. Look at these knots. Look at how well, I'm not even gonna cap. They could have plucked a little bit more, but I mean, whatever. So these knots bleached super well. I left them on for about 20 minutes. I used 30 volume developer with BW2 bleach, and they lifted without no problem. Wig is super full, nice and thick, super soft. When I tell you the hair is super soft, like, I was kind of scared that it wasn't going to hold the curl, but the curls lasted for a little minute, so I'm actually kind of shocked about that. I would really love to try their straight hair, because if that straight hair is as soft as this one, oh baby, hair is gonna be flowing in the wind all summer, best to believe, because this hair super pretty. Like, so before the install, I did go ahead and blow dried it after I washed it. And what am I trying to say? I blow dried it, and then I gave it a blunt cut at the ends to get rid of, the unevenness, the little scraggly pieces, whatever. And then I went in and I cut a few layers in the hair. I'm not good at layers, so please don't ask me for a review, or I mean a tutorial on it, because I can't give it to you, but I try my best. And I wanted to give it some layers because I don't like when I curl my hair and don't cut layers in it, and then like all the curls really just fall to the bottom. I don't like that, but it seemed like this kind of did that, and that's because, like I said, I don't know how to layer hair, but we gonna get better. So I'm not gonna talk you guys head off because y'all already know where I stand with this hair. But I will come back when it's time to do the final announcements. So yeah.
Take me in your arms, do just what you want. You're the one I trust. I belong to you, and I'll always be around when I need some loving, baby. And I never let you down, let you down, let you down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, 'cause baby, we got chemistry. Me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me. forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You and me, written in the stars. Take me in your arms, do just what you want. You're the one I trust. I belong to you, and I'll always be around when I need some loving, baby. And I'll never let you down, let you down, let you down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, 'cause baby, we got chemistry. You give me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me.
Alright, y'all, so this is how it came out. I absolutely love the hair. Definitely go buy it, or I'm gonna buy it all myself. It's like, no, because I ain't got no money, but y'all should definitely go get this hair. Super pretty, super bomb, super affordable. But yes, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you guys, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye.
Let me down, let me down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies.